Dubai has big road and great transport system, so most people don't worry about it. But in 2025, the RTA found a problem and fixed it. Let's look about that in detail. After 2,638 field inspections in strategic locations like Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Emirates Road, Dubai filed 88 violations. 134 technical faults identified and 177 trailers checked for compliance. What went wrong? Among the major violations, unroadworthy tires, defective lighting systems, missing reflective stickers, and improper cargo loading. In short, these were accidents waiting to happen on roads where speed and volume are high. The UAE economy runs on trade, and heavy trailers are an unsung heroes to this ecosystem. From Jebel Ali to Ras Al Khaimah, thousands of trailers move daily carrying oil, gas, construction materials, food, electronics, and high value goods. But safety is non negotiable in this equation. Every technical fault increases risk, such as fire accidents from brake or tire failure, piles up on fast moving expressways, delays and economic loss in critical supply chains. And that's why the RTA's proactive inspection campaigns, it's not about penalties, it is about creating awareness before accidents. The RTA did not just randomly inspect trucks. They targeted the high-risk zone, like Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, a major commercial artery, and Emirates Road, key route for cargo transit across UAE. The focus was comprehensive. Tire and brake system audits, lighting and reflective compliances, license and driver permit checks, overall road stability and vehicle structure. Ahmed Mehboob, CEO of the licensing agency at RTA, made it clear. We aim to prevent risk arising from neglect or lack of regular technical maintenance. Road transport is one of the most vital and influential sectors. And he's right, the UAE has one of the highest vehicle density rates, and yet it ranks high in road fatalities, especially involving commercial vehicles. The future of transport in the UAE, it's not just efficient, it must be safe. Technology enforcement and awareness must work together, and there is zero tolerance for non-compliance. Let us know what you think about this content in the comment section. Thank you for watching.